Hey guys, welcome back to the set. Hey, today we're gonna season up this brand new Lowe's Culinary 36-inch Deluxe Griddle with a side table. We went over that not long ago. Hey, let's get this thing seasoned up. Let's see how these pancake burners do, these high performance burners. Let's get started. That's some good groceries. All right, guys, let's get started. We're going to put a little bit of water down, a little bit of soap. So we got our water, got our soap down, and we're just going to take a scrubber and just scrub just lightly over the surface. Again, we're just trying to get those manufacturing oils off of the griddle, some dust, etc., just to make sure you have a nice, clean surface. Once we scrub for a couple minutes, hey, we're done. And I'm just going to take some paper towels and just kind of take some of this excess off. You really want to make sure you take your time, dedicate a good portion of your day to seasoning a griddle. It does take quite a while. So just depending on how long you have, yeah, just plan to just kind of be there for a while. There we go. Now I'm just gonna take some more water. Just make sure we got all the soap off. I like to take my hand, just kind of rub it. Just gonna send a lot of this water just back towards the rear grease. That way we're not using a bunch of paper towels. All right, guys, I've had this on for about 5 minutes and it looks like there's no standing water. There's no residue from water or soap. So I'm gonna cut the burners off. The electronics over here that's measuring the temperature, it's gotten up to about a medium heat. So I'm just gonna let this kind of cool down a little bit. All right, our temperature has came down quite a bit on the top. And now let's talk about what we're gonna use for seasoning. I like to use the Blackstone Griddle seasoning and cast iron conditioner. And I also like to use just old terry cloth, okay? I like to use these over a paper towel. Number one is there's not a lot of fibers that get put onto the griddle when you're seasoning it. You don't want to have a pool of oil or this seasoning mixture and let that burn. That will not adhere very well. And you can kind of see how some of these, you can see some spots here, I hope you can see, where it's pulled up a little bit. Your objective is to try and wipe this seasoning off. I'd say that's pretty good. I want to cut these burners on. I want to go at about a medium heat for right now and just see where that kind of goes. Again, I don't know what to expect on these pancake burners. All right, let's let this get going. Let's let this burn off. All right, we're gonna let this go. We're gonna let it smoke, same thing as before. And we're gonna probably repeat this probably another time, maybe 3 sets, and we should be good to go. So it's cooled down a little bit. It doesn't have to be cool, doesn't have to be, it really don't want to be smoking hot. But this is still kind of warm. Some places, especially right in the middle, it might smoke a little bit, and that's okay. We just got to wipe a little faster, all right? We're gonna let this burn off. We'll come back. So we're finishing up this third, probably my final coat here. And I haven't put any more seasoning on my terry cloth. So I'm just rubbing it, just kind of going at it. So it's really thin. It's not really leaving anything at all, but it is smoking, as you can see. I'm gonna let this smoke off here, and I'm pretty much gonna be done. Wow, it's cooled off. Check out that seasoning. Pretty much front to back, side to side. It is looking fantastic. Nothing more really to do here but to prepare this for the next cook, which is not today. I like to use this Blackstone spray. If you want to do just some regular, cooking oil spray, you just want to use regular oil and take your towel and just kind of move it around. So be it. This is just what I do. Just like to give it a good little coat. There we go. This is just our seasoning rag. And I just kind of wipe it off a little bit. Creates a nice little barrier. Get those edges. There we go. Get the sides and the back. There we go. And just like that, that's how I like to season a griddle. The pancake style burners, the high performance burners are awesome. Really made seasoning very nice, very easy, and very uniform. Hey, head on over to the Lowe's and Lowes.com to check out this griddle if you're interested in it. And hey, head on over to the Blackstone Network where you see other awesome videos just like this. Hey, I'm Hussey. That's some good groceries.